start. On the other hand, counsel for the respondents submits that the scheduled caste certificate which was produced by the petitioner was not in consonance with the requirements specified under the instructions, as the said certificate was required to contain the name of the father instead of the name of husband. Stop. The rejection of the candidature of the petitioner is therefore in consonance with the instruction, and therefore the claim as made by the petitioner cannot be accepted. Stop. I have considered the submissions made by counsel for the parties and with their assistance have gone through the record of the case. Stop. It is an admitted fact that the petitioner applied under the scheduled caste category in pursuance to the advertisement issued by the respondents for filling up 316 post of assistant librarian, out of which 64 posts were meant for scheduled caste category. Stop. Along with her application, she attached the certificate where the name of the husband figured. Stop. At the time of the counseling, the said certificates, when produced by the petitioner, was not objected to by the respondents. Stop. In the light of the merit which was prepared by the respondents, her name figured at serial number 50 in the scheduled caste category. Stop. Ultimately, when final result was declared, petitioner was treated as general category candidate and was given merit at serial number 199. Stop. This action of the respondents cannot be accepted, firstly, for the reason that no opportunity was granted to the petitioner to explain the position with regard to her belonging to the scheduled caste category, especially when no objection was taken at the time of scrutiny of the documents. Stop. Further, it has been admitted by the respondents that the certificate dated 9/7/1970 issued by the sub-divisional officer Dasua to the petitioner is valid, which depicted the petitioner to be of Adharmi caste, and in the said certificate name of the father also figures, and it is stated therein that the petitioner and her family ordinarily resides in Adarsh Nagar Mukeria of district Hoshiarpur of the state of Punjab and belong to Adharmi caste, which is recognized under the scheduled caste category under the Constitution Order 1950. Stop. This shows beyond doubt that the petitioner actually belongs to Adharmi caste. Stop. That apart, petitioner is married to a person who also belongs to Adharmi caste. Stop. The assertions of the respondents thus that the petitioner does not belong to scheduled caste or the certificate submitted by the petitioner is not in accordance with the statutory rules, instructions cannot be accepted. Stop. The caste of the person does not change with the change in matrimonial status, even if a person marries another person who is of a higher caste. Stop. In the light of the above, the action of the respondents treating the petitioner under the general category, whereas she belongs to the scheduled caste category, cannot be accepted. Stop.